Regular adjectives and irregular adjectives. Regular adjectives. Regular adjectives follow the pattern of adding er and more in the comparative form and est and most in the superlative form. For example, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, dark, darker, darkest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now, irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives do not follow this pattern, and instead, the regular adjective becomes a new word in its comparative and superlative form. For example, good, better, best, many, more, most, bad, worse, worst. Let's see more examples of regular and irregular adjectives. Big, bigger, biggest. Happy, happier, happiest. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Near, nearer, nearest. Old, older, oldest. Far, further, furthest. Late, later, latest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Young, younger, youngest. Fast, faster, fastest. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Thank you for your interest. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.